Mano ma Siaya wayudo kanyo ni piny owacho ma kaunti ma Siaya osechako chenro mano mar pidho yien mar bambu ma bende romo gana 35 eka yono mano mar rito aluora e kaunti ma Siaya kono kane gilose gwengo mago mag Nyadorera. Laktar Patrick Omondi mano ma bende en director mar Wildlife Research and Training Institute ne owacho kanyo ni yien mano mar bambu dhi konyo rito aluora e yono makare.
We are here in Aleko Songa, that is in the county of Siaya, with a main reason of habitat restoration. State Department for Wildlife, we are committed, as we all know, that one of our mandates is to ensure that we restore and reclaim some of the degraded habitats that have had problems in the past. We are aware that in this country, in the past, we had very nice habitats where our wildlife used to stay and enjoy at their best. But the problem has been because of one reason or the other, especially on matters to do with constructions. We are having a lot of population pressure. We are also having different land tenure systems. We are affecting the habitats of our wildlife. It is therefore our responsibility as State Department for Wildlife, as government, to ensure that we restore and bring it back. And one
bamboo seedlings as part of the 15 billion government program for President Rito, and this also to enhance the protection of the River Siaya. We have the dikes along the River Siaya. The bamboo seedlings, when they grow, they will help to reduce the soil erosion and also help the breakage of the dikes. So it is going to improve on the riparian protection, and also because of the value of bamboo, it is also help in food security.